Hey guys, so finished con Jason here. Jason, auntie come here. I finished con Jason here already. Yeah, that is it. Bye. Bye, Jason. This guy, that's Jason one there. Lady!
Yeah. Ma call me and them.
I call you
Me call
Yeah,
me
them.
and them, yeah. Auntie, take a picture with me.
Take a picture with you?
Yeah, and them.
Turn around, let me take a picture with you. Come. Say cheese. Want a picture too? Nice. Pretty. Mwah.
Hello, them. Hello, them, and yes,
Guys, so finish up with all them here. Jason and Jason. No man, that is it. You know? Daddy! Jason!
Yes?
How are you? How are you? How are you, JJ?
That good?
You're good?
Now?
Why? Why you're not good?
That's make sound to me. Creepy monster me want to do.
Alright, you ready to go on the treadmill now?
Yeah.
So we're going to exercise and then we bathe and then we go to bed, right?
No. Me bed already?
Yeah, when you go on the treadmill, you're going to bed again.
And you go for the
And
bed?
and then we go to bed.
Mom, you're gonna bed first?
Yeah, me I go bed and bed, you know.
But I don't want to.
Yeah guys, so that is it, you know. Get our earbud haircut tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh
You will see all of that. Yes, my beautiful people, good morning. Another day of blessing. Thanks to be alive and well and open up. Alright, just the same. Yeah, so I request the farm from when. So I decide now to show you guys, and then on my way to show you baby chicken I have now, because I killed out the other day. I try this dark, so I killed out other day, so I have baby chicken now, and go walk not to school, so show you quickly, and then ready not ready, I walk to school now. So here it is, warmer light there, just 1 week and couple days today on Tuesday. Alright, so them are 1 week, Thursday them are 2 week, so actually so them are 2 week then. Yeah, 150. going on fine. We have 2 duck in our back there, so get some I see mother come out with 2 ducky baby, and in order for them no dog no kill them or mangoes eat them, I normally take them and raise them when they come big in a cub, and then let them out back. You know, so them safe. Alright guys, here it is. And them look so lovely so far. Yeah. Looking so beautiful so far. Come on. Ducky they now make you come down here, so them big. Big and fat can eat nothing no. Yeah man, I pair babies in here now. Babies. Like when them a run so. Yeah man guys, so I walk like I want to school now. Not go to school right now. Now it's about 7:30, so our school call 8 o'clock or 8:15. I think at 8:15. So I'm gonna take a look at time now and walk go to school. See her there. Yeah guys, so take a look at that walk go to school now. Yeah. Guys, so I didn't know I could show me come out now. But if I'm at the spot. Yeah, man, that is it. So stay tuned. Into when the market bigger and bigger. Well, I'm gonna walk that a little to school now, guys. Yeah guys, and there is Popsy. Popsy boy, I take him early morning walk with his mother. Yeah guys, I head no comb so I'm not showing. All him up good. All up in head, see my bong bong. Go on now. Yeah man. Yeah, I'm taking it early morning walk, you know. That is it. So not their time to go to school. So go on. Yeah guys, so I got that a little to school, and that a Lily in grade 5 now. Turn around. Grade 5 4 straight to 5 wear tie. So wear tie, so she in her tie now. 4, 5 and 6 wear tie. So yeah guys, that is it. Today I walk go by our school. Morning.
Morning, fine, no cricket.
Yeah man.
Good night.
Yeah. So yeah guys, on our journey to school. Hey guys, so soon reach high school now. They accompany her to our school as usual. Yeah, almost reach school gate now. It's So take our time still, because we're early. Yeah. Yeah guys, I'm gonna hand over everything to her. We're in a schoolyard, and this is where I say later, Nana. Love you. Going to school later.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead